Um, this is like a superpower, actually. Um, so you can take for example like rockets. You could say, well, how much should a rocket cost? The typical approach to how to that people would take to how much rocket should cost is they would look historically at what the cost of rockets are and assume that any new rocket must be somewhat similar to the prior cost of rockets. A first principles approach would be you look at the materials that the rocket is comprised of. So if that's aluminum, copper, carbon fiber, steel, whatever the case may be, and say what, how much does that rocket weigh, and what are the constituent elements, and how much do they weigh? What is the material price per kilogram of those constituent elements? And that sets the actual floor on what a rocket can cost. It can asymptotically approach the cost of the raw materials. And then you realize, oh, actually, the raw materials of a rocket are only maybe 1 or 2% of the historical cost of a rocket. So the manufacturing must necessarily be very inefficient um, if the raw material cost is only 1 or 2%. That would be a first principles analysis of the potential for the cost optimization of a rocket, and that's before you get to reusability.